Please, goodbye to the beautiful skippers on the dock. Bye. See you in 3 weeks. I'm kidding. You'll never see them again. As we enter the rainforest, I'll welcome everyone to the world-famous Jungle Cruise. For your own safety, please remain seated at all times. Please keep your hands, arms, feet, legs inside the boat. Parents, please supervise your children. Yeah, this is the rainforest in case you missed it. Now, you want to keep an eye out for signs of danger, like this one. Now, folks, I'm a bit of an art history buff. And while we're cruising along, I want to point out one of my favorite ancient sculptures. This giant sculpture of a king cobra. Now, people think it's because it's green, it's made out of jade. It's actually made out of brass. Our first stop is an ancient Cambodian shrine. Home to animals like this 500-pound tiger on the left. Now, do you folks know why tigers have stripes? It's actually a survival adaptation that keeps them from being spotted. Yeah, watch out for there's a crocodile there. Yeah, ginger snaps. Welcome everyone to the secret bathing pools of the Indian elephant. Wow, looks like the whole herd's out today. That's unheard of. Now, if you think that's water coming out of their noses, it's not. Oh, hey, there's my buddy Squirt up ahead. Hey, Squirt, how you doing? Squirt, 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 down, down. Talked about this buddy every time I come down. Oh, coming for another, everybody. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Ah, he's just saying hi. Oh, that's not good. Now, we did have a bug expert, Dr. Chinelski, camping over here. Now, looks like bug out. Ah, he's after calling all the shots now. Oh, will you look at that, folks? Now they left their headlights on. And we'll never get that Jeep to turn over. Up ahead, friends, you'll see the world-famous Schweitzer Falls. But don't worry, we'll go over that later. As we are now going down the Nile River, the longest river in the world, stretching over 4,000 miles across Africa. Now, if you don't believe me, you're in denial. On our left, you'll see an African bull elephant. Now, African bull elephants are known for their large ears, long tusks, excellent memory. I wish I had their memory. Oh, well, folks, over here on the right, an African bull elephant. The African bull elephants are known for their large ears, long tusks, and excellent memory. I wish I had their memory. Welcome, everyone, to the African belt, home to a variety of animals. Just over here, you'll see wildebeest, zebra, and those big, tall things in the back. Those are... No, giraffes. The trees are behind the giraffes, sir. Come on now. Oh, isn't that sweet, folks? That family of lions is taking care of that sleeping zebra. Aww. Yeah, that's how they sleep. Eyes open. Isn't nature beautiful? Oh, there's that lost VIP. Looks like Skipper Felix, the new guy, forgot the first rule of the jungle. Never get into an argument with a rhino. They always get their point across in the end. Hippos are very territorial, but they're only dangerous if they wiggle their ears or blow bubbles. Alright, they're getting a little too close. I'm going to fire some warning shots to scare them off. Please cover your ears, friends. I got the message. Alright, I'm going to let you guys off with a stern warning this time. Get it? The back of a boat. Stern. That could be a lot worse, folks. A lot worse. Now it looks like we got a shipwreck up ahead. Hey, it looks like one of the chips got a hold of a mic. Let me see if I can translate for you. Adorable, folks. Looks like nothing but these chips. Now, that one on the top, we like to call her a net. Yeah, butterflies just aren't what they used to be. Caterpillars. For the moment you've all been waiting for. The eighth wonder of the world. The backside of water. Stop is the Amazon River. Now these waters are my boss's favorite fishing spot. Yeah, she always says the fish are always biting down here. Oh, they're really biting today. Oh, they're really biting. Okay, everybody hold on. Everybody, watch out for that python on the left. It measures 3.14159 meters long. Now, what trip wouldn't be complete without stopping by Trader Sam's gift shop, where the deals are bananas. Yeah, you think Trader Sam would pay the photographer for a while? He's only doing it for the exposure, though. Well, folks, it looks like we arrived. Back in civilization, give yourselves a round of applause, folks. On behalf of the Jungle Navigation Company, I want to thank you for joining us here at the Jungle Cruise. For your own safety, please remain seated. Please make sure you keep your hands, arms, and elbows inside the boat. Trust me, you don't want to get caught between the boat and the dock here, causing a lot of peer pressure. Today's trip was brought to you by our friends here at the Tropical Hideaway. Outdoor dining at its okay. Yeah, be sure to get in line for some of that delicious Dole Whip. Just don't get in line for punch. There's no punch line. Alright, friends, this is where we part ways. If you enjoyed your cruise today, my name was Skipper Roman. As in, you've been roaming around the jungle with me. That's right, made fun of my own name. Now, before we go, let me offer you some final words of advice. Some sage wisdom of the jungle. Words of great power that get me through my darkest days here in the Jungle Cruise. Get out. Sorry, Ellsworth, please. Get out. Go to the dock side, you have to through the middle. Water side, you will be helped out by the rear of the boat. Don't make it awkward. Alright, guys, please don't cross over the boxes. Please don't cross over those boxes. Oh, there we go. And those extra ears did come in handy. That was great. Now, if you thought the gift shop over there was weird, something across the street when you leave. It's a little bizarre.